Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to forward an email as an attachment on Outlook on a Mac computer in the year 2026 web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Outlook. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. And now for us to forward this email as an attachment, what we can do is click into the email, increase the size of the email window, and then either click forward as an attachment or go to the three dots, other reply actions, forward as an attachment, or what we can do is go directly into the email on screen, three dots, other reply actions, forward as an attachment, and then we can select a recipient of our choice, which is rehan@computersciencevideos.com. Let's now go directly into the email and type please see the forwarded attachment. Within this email. Kind regards from the admin. Let's now click on send. Let's now go to the sent items. Dear CSV, please see the forwarded attachment within this email. Kind regards, admin. Click on that, and that should take us to the email that was sent previously. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.